Hello, in this video, I will show you how to create a Teams meeting link and also how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting. First thing, open the program and go under here where it says Meet. You'll see where it says Create a Meeting Link. Click on that. Here, this is where you name the meeting title and you create and copy link. And here, this is the meeting. This way you can join the meeting. And also this way you can also share the link and you give it to the people you want them to join the meeting. Let's say you want to schedule a meeting. You have to go under here where it says scheduled meetings. Click on that, then click on schedule a meeting. Here, that's where you give the title. Time and the date, where it starts and where it ends, right? And you can always make it to repeat like every week or daily or monthly or yearly. And here you can type in the location, and here you can also type in the agenda of the meeting. After you've done that, just press on save and you say copy the link and also share it with the people who are supposed to join the meeting, and you're done.